Hello everyone! Having trouble starting your diesel engine, especially in cold weather? Experiencing rough idling or white smoke from the exhaust? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0677, cylinder 7 glow plug circuit open, then your glow plug system is failing, making cold starts a nightmare. In this video, I'll explain what P0677 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0677 Trouble Code stands for Cylinder 7 Glow Plug Circuit Open. Diesel engines rely on glow plugs to preheat the combustion chamber for smooth starting. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, triggers P0677 when it detects an issue in the glow plug circuit for Cylinder 7. A failing glow plug can cause hard starts, misfires, rough idling, and excessive white smoke from the exhaust. Common symptoms of P0677: check engine light on difficult starting in cold weather, misfires or rough idling, white smoke from exhaust, reduced fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0677. To diagnose P0677, check these key parts. Glow plug for cylinder 7, location threaded into cylinder 7 on the engine block near the fuel injector. Function: preheats the cylinder for cold starts. A bad glow plug won't heat properly, making the engine hard to start. Glow plug control module, GPCM, location: mounted on the engine block, firewall, or near the intake manifold. Function: regulates power to the glow plugs. A faulty module can prevent the glow plugs from working. Powertrain Control Module, PCM, location: near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: monitors the glow plug system and triggers the P0677 code if it detects a failure. Glow plug, relay location: inside the fuse box or near the engine. Function: delivers power to the glow plugs. A failing relay can cut off voltage to the glow plugs. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the PCM, GPCM, and glow plugs. Function: transfers electrical signals. If wires are broken or corroded, the circuit remains open, triggering P0677. Common causes of P0677: faulty glow plug in cylinder 7. If it burns out, it won't heat up properly. Glow plug control module, GPCM, failure: a malfunctioning module won't deliver the right voltage. Broken or corroded wiring: any damage to the wiring can interrupt the circuit. Glow plug relay failure: if the relay fails, power won't reach the glow plugs. PCM malfunction: a rare cause, but a faulty PCM may falsely trigger P0677. How to fix P0677? Step 1. Scan for additional codes. If multiple glow plug codes appear, the entire system may be failing. Step 2. Test the cylinder 7 glow plug. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be around 0.62.0 ohms. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires and repair them. Step 4. Check the glow plug relay and fuse, replace them if necessary. Step 5. Test and replace the glow plug control module, GPCM, if needed. If it's faulty, glow plugs won't work. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0677 can cause cold start failures, excessive smoke, and poor fuel efficiency. Fixing it ensures your diesel engine runs smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos: P0608, Control Module VSS Output, P0609, Control Module VSS Output B. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.